Okay, I'm on the road for my trip. Just left Walmart, got me some food, some hamburger meat, 2 steaks. We're gonna be cooking in this video. Okay, I just paid at the gate to get into the state park, and now I'm driving to the check-in at the family camp area. They say it's about 3 miles, so once I get closer, we'll get back at it. Okay, we should be getting close to the family campground check-in. Here it is. So, let's get this started. Okay, I got myself 3 bundles of wood. About $22. Not bad. Now try to find my camp spot. So here we go. Okay, I wish they would give you somewhat of a map. Some campsites do, some don't. So we'll be driving around for a bit until we can find it. But the weather's nice. It's about 76 out right now. I have no idea where I'm going. Oh, looks like I got to circle around again. Maybe not. I wish they would give you like numbers so you know where to go. But it doesn't look like it, but there's quite a few parks, walk paths. So when I get a little bit closer, we'll start up again. Okay, it looks like I'm gonna be on the left. We just passed 131, 134, 136. Here I am. We made it. We're here. Now I just have to unpack. I didn't need to buy another little table, but hey, it's always good to have a spare table. I'll get unpacked and we'll sit and talk for a bit. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm about to get ready to cook me some lunch. I decided to have hamburgers. I'll have steak tomorrow night. Found out can't use a metal detector here during certain seasons. And if I have to, I have to go all the way up to the front and talk to administrations and see if I can do it. But, so, things to know. Check before you bring it out. I'm going to get cooking this hamburger. Okay, I've been here at Potato Creek campgrounds in Indiana. It's nice. Went up to the general store, got an ice cream sandwich and a sticker that turned out not being so good. I had a hamburger for lunch. I'm about to sit here and make some tacos for dinner. So I'm gonna get that prepared and ready to go. Once this pan heats up, put that hamburger patty on and break it up and make some tacos. Add the meat. Open the cheese and add some. Hot sauce. I gotta see why this does not come out that good. Might be because it's too cold. There. Some sweet tea to drink, and now the taco. Should have brought taco seasoning, but the Red Hot's still good. So I'm gonna eat this and then get a campfire going later. Good morning. Day 2 here at Potato Creek Campgrounds in Indiana. I have a little bit of a cold, but what can I do? I'm gonna, next time I get back home, I'm gonna buy myself a little scooter so I can scoot around and park, especially when they have paved driveways. I'm gonna have maybe eat some cheese toasties for lunch, and then we'll be cooking a steak tonight for dinner. Forgot any like vegetables or anything to have with, so it'll be steak and butter bread. I'm gonna see how far away the pond or lake, the beach area is from my spot, and see if I can walk it. Because when I was exhausted by the time I walked to the general store and back yesterday, and that was just a 26-minute walk. So when I get back to the campsite, I'm going to sit down, relax for a bit, and we'll get recording. The beach is about a 20-minute walk one way and 20-minute walk back. I'm not going to do it, sorry. But I might just drive by it on my way checking out. Like I said, I need to get myself a scooter before I get off on the road again. A little canopy, the smallest one I can get, just so I have some shade if when I'm in a spot that doesn't have shade. The good part about where I'm at is I haven't ran out of power yet. It says my battery's still 80% full, and I'm in the sun all day, so that's good. I'm planning to get my camera out, take some pictures, and upload them to my website. And then it'll be down in the description, my website, when I get home. And then maybe after they've been up on my website for a week, upload a montage. So I'm getting ready here to make my lunch and eat. Okay, I'm getting ready. Okay, I'm getting ready here to start cooking my grilled cheese or cheese toasties, whatever you call them. I'm gonna have 2, so I'm gonna cook one first. Get it done. You cook. I do have to say it's beautiful here. Let's get that. It's beautiful. I really wish I could walk more than I could, but what can I do? So like I said, I'm planning to get a scooter, one you stand up on and you just scoot around when I'm at these places, so we can see more of it. Let's get back to cooking. Nope. A little bit longer. Once it's done a little bit more, we'll come right back. Got one done. Cook another one. And yes, that's my blanket. I'm airing it out. It smelled a little funny last night because it's been in a tub for a couple months, so we're gonna get going. Almost overcooked this one. Got sidetracked on doing some stuff. Lunchtime. 2 cheese toasties or grilled cheese, whichever you call it, and a Mountain Dew to drink. Okay, I finally got my sticker on my newest one. It's where I'm staying at this week. So finally got it on. A little crooked, but hey, it's on. And ready to cook the steak for dinner. There it goes. We'll let that cook for a bit and then we'll get back at it. Okay, got it partially cooked. Might have to brown that up just a little bit more once it's done. Okay, we're having steak and some butter bread for dinner. Let me get a good cut out of this and see how it looks. See if I cooked it long enough. What do you think? Yes, I'm a sauce person. So that's my dinner. Once I'm done eating, I'll probably get ready for the campfire tonight, get the wood set up. I wish I brought some vegetables like green beans or a corn, some maybe potatoes, something else to eat with it besides butter bread. But you live and you learn. Oh, good morning. I'm day, let me see, I got here Sunday, day 3, but I woke up this morning with my back door open. I must have rolled over on the key and unlocked it. Or I forgot to shut it last night. I'm going to lay here just for a couple more minutes to wake up, and then get cleaned up, and find something to do today. God bless, and peace out.